Welcome to Unit 2 of AP Biology. Please, if you have questions, comment down below and come join us on the Skool.com community where you'll find like-minded people and extra resources. Now, the big idea here is that ribosomes, remember, make proteins, and the endoplasmic reticulum is there for support and transport. The Golgi complex is to modify and package these products, and we package these products into things called vesicles because vesicles move these products all over the cell where they are supposed to be. So, quick recap of everything that we've learned today. We have the mitochondria. They have a double membrane, and I have this folded inner membrane. Okay, so here are the inner membrane folds. These folds allow for efficient ATP synthesis. And if these folds are disrupted, less ATP will be produced. That will mean that the cell has less energy overall. Okay, if we learn about lysosomes, they have enzyme containing sacs. So there are enzymes inside here, okay, that break down materials. So they would take in a polymer or a big molecule and they would break it down into smaller pieces to be recycled. And we call this digestion. And it can also contribute to apoptosis. Now, if this disrupted, the undigested material might accumulate within the cell, and then also apoptosis might be impaired. Maybe the cell won't be able to break itself down. Okay. Vacuoles are storage sacs, and they're there for water and nutrients. And in plants, they maintain this turgor pressure of this cell wall, of this large central vacuole pushing in on the cell wall. So if it is disrupted, in plants, the loss of water decreases the turgor pressure, okay? And the cells may become flaccid and then wilt. And then finally, chloroplasts, they have a double membrane, and this is where photosynthesis happens. And photosynthesis is using light energy to make sugars or glucose. And if this is disrupted, it means that less sugar would be produced in the cell. So for 2.1, which is organelles, your task is now to match the functions, okay, with the organelles. And here are the names of the organelles. So you can pause the video and then complete it, and I'm going to do it now. Okay. So the structure that makes proteins, okay, the structure that makes proteins is number 7, okay, and it is called the ribosomes. Good, so we already used ribosome. Modified, sorts, and packages materials. That is the Golgi complex. Okay, so number 2. Next one. Produces ATP energy, and that is our mitochondria over here. Okay, and the mitochondria uses aerobic respiration to produce ATP energy. Okay. Next color breaks down waste. That will be our lysosome. Okay, so our lysosome contains enzymes that break down waste. Stores water and materials. That is the vacuole. Okay, and that's number 3. And remember, in plant cells, you will have a very big vacuole, and in animal cells, you have smaller, more numerous vacuoles. And then synthesizes lipids, okay? That is the smooth ER, or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and that's number 6. Synthesize proteins, The one that synthesizes, so remember, there's a difference between making proteins and synthesizing means that it's processing proteins, and that will be number 4, or the rough ER. And then if we look at photosynthesis and making sugar, that is our beautiful chloroplast over here, and number 5. And that is like a very short function with each one of these organelles. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and can join us on the Skool.com community page. We'll find AP Bio blueprints. And if you take a look inside, you will see that Unit 1 is completely free. See you all there.